Hi everybody, I'm David Hansel, Intuitive Medium. Welcome to the Spirit Experience. This is a new series where I answer questions from my viewers. If you are picked and I answer your question, I will also include a short reading right here on this video. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out where you could submit your questions and possibly have them answered and get a reading. All right, get set, here we go. Hi everyone, Dave here. Welcome back to my series on questions, answers, and short readings. Today's question comes from Taylor, and the question is, why do some spirits not cross over into the light and stay earthbound? That's a good question. Here we go. The word earthbound. In the many readings that I've done, there's no such thing as being bound to earth. There is no such thing as a spirit being stuck. You have a choice whether you're here, whether you're between death and the other side, or on the other side. You always have free will. So what happens is some spirits make a choice to be here. Sometimes their choices are made out of fear, which means if you died and you think that bad things are going to happen to you because you did some things that you're not proud of, you might fear going over there, so you stick around longer. If you think that there's a family member or a friend that can't do without you, then you will probably hang out here as long as you can. Or if you just love the earth so much, or you possibly have an addiction you're not ready to give up, it's hard to go over there because you still are you. You are never not you, okay? So nobody ever is stuck and nobody ever is bound to the earth. Like I said, they are choices that we make. Sometimes the other side, somebody who going to the other side may need a little help with a choice. So that's what mediums and rescue mediums are for. If they can get in touch with that spirit, they can let them know, hey, everything's going to be okay for your loved ones. Go ahead and go over. Or don't worry, there's no such thing as hell. You're not going to burn for anything. Just go. You know, they can help you over that way. So that's a really good question, Taylor. And I hope that helps you out a bit. And now for your reading. Basically, what they're telling me is what comes up is the wise leader, which basically is telling you that you are a beacon for others. People are trusting what you say, and that's a good thing. It means that they can tell the vibration of the words that you speak, the things that you know, the things that you say, and how you confront people. That means that they're understanding and you're coming from a good place. So keep that going. Also, you are reaching your destination, and that is a couple things. And I know there's a whole pandemic going on, but there is a destination that you're going to reach. It got put onto the side, they're telling me, of course, but they said you are going to be able to go. You are going to be able to do those things and go to those places. And I hate to make predictions on that because things change, but I'm going to say that it is kind of held up, and it's probably going to be there's something about the late fall that comes in for you, and it's real late fall. It's like almost into the, I guess, quote unquote winter months, depending on where you are. But there is a chance for you to go to this destination then. And if it's not, then the next round that comes up is March of next year. But you will reach that destination, and actually your personal destination of doing what you want to do is also coming up. There's a lot of inside work that you're doing, and it's going well. So thank you, Taylor, so much. If anybody has a question you'd like to get answered and get a reading, just go ahead and write to me in the comment section below, or you can go to theywhispertome.com in the contact section and write me, or you can hunt me down on Facebook, and I have a group there called The Spirit Experience, and you can ask a question there. Thanks so much, everybody, for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.